Who are these people?
So we have Heidi,
What's up?
Nyla, hello, and Luffy. So we're gonna start off with Emilia versus Heidi.
Let's roll.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
Go ahead, fidget spinner. I guess.
So the winner is Haizri for
Yay.
round 1. So the
Yay.
next challenge will be Haizri and Alia.
Oh. I guess I am the winner again.
Oh man,
Yay.
Haizri is another round winner, and then now it's with Nyla. Start.
Let's see who is the winner.
Oh no.
Oh,
I
looks
am the
like
winner
the Iron
again.
Man is standing strong. Next we have Lutfi. The last challenger, Muhammad Lutfi.
The best man wins.
Okay, let's start.
3, 2, 1.
Of course you will win.
One time only. This is a very long match.
That one's like
This is very long.
octopus thing. Wow.
Wow, looks like there's a competition here.
It's going down.
Will it be Iron Man still holding on? Or we have a new winner here?
JBL.
Oh,
I am the winner again.
Are you sure?
I am the winner.
He's the grand winner.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.